So I'm going to show you two different ways to get a meaning source, or a source that is going to go beyond reference information, beyond facts, and talk about how something relates to the real world. So one thing you could do is do the same sort of search you did for your reference source. I did phosphorus, and you could simply browse the resources and look for topics that seem like real life. Okay, fertilizer, um, shadow biosphere, high phosphorus, nutrient poor foods. Okay, so I'm just browsing for things that relate to life. Okay, you could also look in the academic journals and the audio things as well. So for the meaning sources, you're going to be browsing the different types of sources that are more like news, academic journals, and magazines. So one way to go about it would be simply to browse and see what grabs you. But also, you wrote some meaning questions, and one of my meaning questions was, does phosphorus relate to humans? So if I wanted to specifically look for that after I just browsed these different types of sources, I could search phosphorus humans and see what I find. I also could look at the smart text there. Um, Phosphorus recovery, I might look at that one. Extending the life cycle, that could be interesting. New method to remove phosphorus from wastewater, okay, from human waste. Okay, so I'm just browsing titles and browsing the beginning here to see how it's related. So this might be a great source that I could use. So I might skim it a little bit, and then remember to cite it. You're just going to click on citation methods and send it right over to EasyBib. Okay, so that's how I would go about finding those meaning sources, either by browsing news, magazine, and other types of sources, or by searching for things that specifically relate to my question.